Day 2 of our Capitol Reef adventure included hiking the Grand Wash from Highway 24 and from the Cassidy Arch trailhead. I shared images of points of interest as we drove from Torrey to the trailhead and the Notom Road. We tried to access Upper Muley Twist, but the Notom Road had serious muddy sections, causing us to turn around. On the way back, we stopped to capture an image of fresh snow on the Henry Mountains. Driving into the Grand Wash trailhead from the scenic drive is interesting, and you can see Cassidy Arch high up in the canyon. We also show Cassidy Arch from the Frying Pan Trail taken on a past visit.